In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Etsy purchase history in 2025. If you have ever wondered how to streamline or protect your privacy on Etsy by managing your purchase history, you're in the right place. Let's delve into the steps you can take to effectively manage how your purchases appear on your Etsy profile. Firstly, it's important to note that Etsy doesn't have a straightforward option to delete your entire purchase history in one fell swoop, like other platforms might. Instead, there are some workarounds that can help you manage which purchases are visible to others. One effective method you can use is by leaving reviews on your purchased items. You see, all orders that haven't been reviewed will stay visible on your purchases and reviews page. This section of your Etsy account shows all the items you've purchased along with the opportunity to review them. When you leave a review on an item, the purchase details can become less prominent in your profile as they move from purchases and reviews into a subtler spot. By taking the moment to review a product, which could be just a quick star rating or adding some comments about your experience, the purchase itself doesn't show up in the main spotlight of your profile. Instead, these purchases only appear publicly on the seller's page, rather than being directly tied to you in visible locations on your profile. This approach is particularly strategic if you're looking to minimize the visibility of certain purchases without removing them entirely. It allows you to maintain a record of your transactions, but keeps them tucked away more discreetly after being acknowledged through a review. Now, as a tips reminder, remember that while reviews make your purchase record less prominent, they don't completely erase the purchase from Etsy's records. It's more about shifting visibility. Therefore, if privacy is a concern, always be mindful of what you're comfortable with sharing, both publicly and with sellers. If you're not familiar with how to leave a review, let me walk you through it quickly. Log into your Etsy account, then head over to Purchases and Reviews, where you'll find the option to leave feedback on each item you've bought. Simply click on the item you wish to review and follow the prompts to submit your feedback. This simple action can help in managing your purchase summaries more effectively. To sum it up, although Etsy doesn't offer a direct delete button for purchase histories, leaving reviews can be a clever way to hide past purchases from prominent visibility on your profile. Keep in mind that while this doesn't delete the information entirely, it does help in easing personal visibility concerns. I hope this explanation was helpful and has made the process clearer for you if you are looking to manage your Etsy account in a more privacy-conscious way. Thank you for joining today, and remember to check back for more useful tips on managing your digital profiles seamlessly.